It's actually been dumping with snow. It's just easing off. Anyway, let's go inside. The video's really zoomed in for some reason. So that's probably the best shot of the whole place. Bed up there. Shower. Sinkage. Oh. Little cooker there. Fridge down there. Little stove with a nice fire going on inside. Lovely. Now over here we've got a little table and bench. Lots of storage. Probably more storage than we actually need, but that's all good. That bit of driftwood will eventually be some lights, but that's a very slow project. Speakers up there. Nice big shelf. I'll step down off the sofa again. Come back. Lots of space to sit down. Nice and comfy by the fire. Come back round. Got the toilet in there, composting toilet. Lovely. More storage up there. And then I'll just show you the bed. That ladder actually, when you go to bed at night, kind of, you put it on the sofa there. And it hooks onto that really ugly piece of wood. And then you can climb up, but I'll just show you from climbing on the sofa. Nice bed space. Lots of light. You can see a bit of the sleet coming down there outside. And if it was a nicer day, you'd be able to see the amazing view. Lots of big mountains up here. Biggest mountain around here, just over in that corner there. Yeah, pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. And then veg gardens out there.